How many Lego bricks would it take to get to the moon? Today we'll be calculating that. Okay, let's get right into the video. So the distance to the moon is 238,855 miles, which converts to 1.2 billion feet, which again converts to 15 billion inches. Okay, so the tallest Lego tower, which is in the Guinness World Records book, was 114 feet 11 inches, and I'm gonna round up to 115 feet. And this tower used 550,000 bricks. Okay, so if the distance to the moon is 1.2 billion feet, we're gonna divide that by 115 feet, and that gives us 10,966,557. So since our units canceled out, that is the amount of times that the tower to the moon is larger than our Guinness World Records tower on Earth. And we're using this because I want to estimate the amount of bricks used in a tower to the moon based off of our Guinness World Records book tower, which actually exists. Okay, so since the number of bricks used in the Guinness World Records tower is 550,000, we're going to take the number of times that the tower to the moon is larger than the Guinness World Records tower and multiply that. So 10,966,557 times larger times 550,000 bricks gives us 6.03 times 10 to the 12 bricks, which is 6.03 trillion Lego bricks to the moon. However, we're not done. So we're going to calculate a completely unrealistic tower, not that the previous one was very realistic, but now we're going to calculate a tower using only one 2x4 brick all the way to the moon. This is obviously ignoring physics and ignoring a lot of things. But the height of a single 2x4 Lego brick is 9.6 millimeters, which is 0.38 inches. So an estimation for the bricks used for a single block Lego tower to the moon is 15 billion inches divided by 0.3779528 inches, which is the height of a single 2x4 Lego brick, which gives us 40 billion bricks, which is obviously less than the Guinness World Record Tower estimation, but that makes sense because the Guinness World Record Tower estimation has a massive base because it actually has to stand in real life, and this is just a single block line to the moon. Okay, so now that we know that it takes 40 billion bricks to get to the moon, we're going to go over a couple of notes and questions that you guys might have. So if you think Lego bricks might melt in the vacuum of space because of the radiation from the sun hitting it, you're kinda right. A Lego melts at 221 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 105 degrees Celsius, and it is fully liquid at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. The hottest the exterior of the International Space Station gets is about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the cold side gets negative 250 degrees Fahrenheit, so depending on where the sun is at and what rotation it's at, it would depend. So the Legos might get a bit melty because 250 degrees Fahrenheit is obviously more than its melting point. So the Legos may get a bit spicy, but it would probably be okay because they're strong, they're Legos. If you step on them, your foot breaks, not the Lego. However, these Legos would eventually fracture because going from super hot from the sun's radiation to super cold in the vacuum of space over and over and over would crack the plastic. Okay, so if you thought this stupid video was somewhat entertaining, I encourage you to subscribe down below, leave a like, and leave me some suggestions for future videos down in the comments. Also, tell me what you guys thought about this video down in the comments. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Goodbye.